Should the Department of Government Efficiency disclose public records or hide them under executive privilege? This critical question is now in the hands of the Supreme Court. The Trump administration is pushing for a decision, seeking clarity on this issue. Over the past 4 months, the DOGE has made significant cuts. More than 120,000 federal workers lost their jobs, billions in research grants were slashed, and agency budgets have been severely reduced. This unprecedented move has triggered numerous federal lawsuits, raising concerns across the nation. In recent news from Washington, D.C., a tragic shooting occurred. 2 Israeli embassy staff members were killed outside the Capitol Jewish Museum. The suspect, who was taken into custody, chanted political slogans during his arrest, shining a light on the rising anti-Semitism in the country. The loss of these young individuals has devastated the community and sparked calls for justice. In the world of politics, President Trump celebrated a victory. The House passed a sweeping tax and spending cuts package. This bill proposes nearly $1 trillion in cuts to Medicaid and food stamps and raises the debt ceiling by $4 trillion. It also includes drastic changes to energy tax credits and allocates funds for immigration detention facilities. However, the Congressional Budget Office warns this legislation could increase the deficit by $3.8 trillion between 2026 to 2034. On the international front, Trump's interactions with world leaders have drawn attention. During several Oval Office meetings, Trump criticized foreign leaders over various issues, showcasing a confrontational style. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa even found himself pushed back by false claims regarding South African farmers. In a controversial move, the Trump administration accepted a Boeing 747 from Qatar to serve as the next Air Force One. This decision has raised ethical questions from both sides of the aisle. The full implications of this transfer remain unknown, including the cost for necessary modifications. The administration is also looking to dismiss federal oversight agreements with several major police departments. These consent decrees aim to ensure accountability in departments with histories of misconduct. Currently, the DOJ is pushing for dismissals in key areas where fatal incidents have occurred. As Memorial Day weekend approaches, regions in the Northeast may experience unexpected weather, including snow. Meanwhile, the FDA has mandated updated vaccine labels highlighting rare risks for myocarditis, ensuring transparency for vaccine recipients. In sports news, Manny Pacquiao announces his return to the ring, promising an exciting comeback after his retirement. Additionally, the infamous tush push in NFL is not facing any bans, maintaining its status in the game. Finally, Britney Spears commemorates 25 years since her hit album's release with an expanded edition, reflecting her lasting impact on pop culture. This news highlights critical issues affecting our society. Stay informed to understand how these developments impact your daily life.